So last week we talked about 3 different types of angles. We talked about a right angle that has a 90-degree angle in it. We talked about acute angles, which are less than 90 degrees. And we talked about obtuse angles, which are greater than 90 degrees. We're going to use this information that we know about angles to identify different types of triangles. A right angle has one right angle, which we show by drawing a small square at the right angle. An obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle. An acute triangle has 3 acute angles, 3 angles that are less than 90 degrees. On page 408, the directions say to name each triangle by its angles and explain your thinking. I want you to do all even numbers on this page except for 16, and I want you to just label each triangle with either right angle, acute angle, or obtuse angle. Then take a picture and upload your homework page to Schoology in the math folder.